How to withdraw Sweatcoin to PayPal, and can you even do that? That's what we will see in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So what we will do right now is we will get the answer from the app itself. So go ahead and open up Sweatcoin app, and once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top left, and then click on the settings gear icon at the top right. Here, click on where it says help, and then click on the option that says other common queries. And on this page right here, you will see an option that says, can I cash out my sweat coins to PayPal / my bank account? Click on that drop down. And once you do that, you will get this text right here, which is the answer of our question. So let's go ahead through it. As you can see, the app tells you that at the moment, it is not possible to cash out Sweatcoins via PayPal or bank transfer. However, let's continue reading to see what else it does tells us. It tells us that the long-term vision is to make Sweatcoin a fully fledged currency that will be listed on exchanges, but don't wait for this. Please spend your Sweatcoins in the marketplace with our brand partners. And here it tells us that PayPal and Amazon vouchers are featured regularly, especially if you are inviting loads of friends, meaning that yes, you can cash out and withdraw your Sweatcoins to PayPal using the PayPal vouchers that are featured regularly. However, it tells you that you need to invite loads of friends in order for this to happen, meaning the more friends you invite to the app, the more the chances of you getting a PayPal vouchers or Amazon vouchers in your app shop that you can use, which is kind of gift cards. So if you invite loads of friends and you have a loads of, say for example, sweat coins, uh, maybe you have like $100 or $50 worth of sweat coins, you might be able to get a $50 PayPal gift card that from the shop that you can use to withdraw your earnings. And it tells you at the bottom that please note that the offers change at least once a day, and if you do not see something you like today, then come back tomorrow. Meaning that, let's go ahead to the shop right here, meaning that if you have sweat coins and you are indeed inviting a lot of people, it might even have kind of I don't know, a milestone. So say for example, if you invited 100 people, they will unlock this PayPal gift card option. I'm just saying, for example, no one knows what's the milestone, or even if it's a milestone, I'm just saying. So say for example, you invite a lot of people, so you will be able to find gift cards in this section right here that you can cash out using your PayPal. And this is a very good option if you can do that. So that was it for this video. That's how you can cash out Sweatcoins to PayPal. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.